Recently picked up an 03 Tahoe in pretty good shape, and I'm going to do a couple little modifications to it here and there, bring you along. Today we're going to put the Weathertech, the hood protector on it, the bug deflector. I'll show it to you. Alright, so the Weathertech bug deflector comes in, of course, a big box, wrapped up, some plastic, and there's the hardware kit and the instructions. We'll open it up and see what it's about. Alright folks, with this Weathertech stuff, this is pretty important to me, so that's always a plus. Checking out the visor here. Check your holes where they drill them out. They got some bookers on them. Just knock them off with your fingernail. Alright, so here's the parts kit, instruction. Really not much to it. Alright, so here's the instruction booklet. It's 2 pages, pretty simple. It says, before driving, ensure shield is secured properly to the vehicle. Do not use automatic brush style car washes. Do not use cleaning solvents of any kind. Periodically check all components for tightness. Trowel fits recommended to ensure proper positioning and fit. Check fit of parts before painting. We will not accept the return of modified or painted parts. The rest of it's pretty clear, as you can see there. Step 1, open the hood. Step 2, install your grommets there. Alright, so here's the supplied parts, nothing to it. Okay, so under the Chevy, the Tahoe hood, it's got the 4 locations for your screw retainers, the little grommets. And here, here, and on the opposing side. And you just push them in. Alright, here's your rubber grommet. You see that little finger goes inside the hole here, just like so. And then your sheet metal screw through it. We'll fit it up on the hood and start screwing it together. I'll leave it a little bit loose for adjustment. Loosen it up a little bit more. There we go. just give them all a quick snug. Don't go crazy with them. Alright guys, time for the little bumper deals. Take a little shot of acetone on a shop towel. We'll wipe the paint off where those bumpers go. Put them on. Of course, you know acetone dries super quick, so you gotta be kind of quick. Okay, I've shut the hood all the way, and the rigidity of the visor is really good. I'm assuming they're thinking possibly that the wind pressure on the end of it could contact your sheet metal there, so we'll put a bumper there. Try not to get the oils of your fingers on it. We'll try to kind of center it in this little triangular piece. And there she is. Alright, here's the last bumper. Remember, don't touch it with your fingers. There we go. And no, I don't think there's any necessary risk of this contact, and it's pretty rigid. I'm going to go on and put two bumpers equidistant from the center line of the hood till where the sheet metal bends there, so probably in here. Do the same thing, acetone, and place it, nothing to it. Alright, about there is looking pretty good. And same on the other side. And there we go, protection.